Hi, my name's Casey Neal. I'm with Ridgeline Roofing and Restoration. I'm over here at one of your insureds at 605 Starlight Drive, Odenville, Alabama. As you can see right here, I've got 1, 2, 3 tabs that I've marked to show you that this is the shingle that I'm actually going to be pulling up for the repair test. So let's go ahead and get it going. I've actually got my putty knife right here that's normally recommended by insurance companies to pry these up without causing too much of an issue. These are already up. No problem. Just loosey goosey. All right, there we go. All right, got my snake tool. Go ahead and try to pull out the nails. Just bear with me, I gotta find them without lifting the shingles past 45 degrees. I'm gonna try to get these up as best as I can. All right. Yeah, there's one. Oh, all right. Okay, here's another. All right, so I'm trying to find the nail. It's not difficult to end up tearing up the shingle. And like I said, I'm trying not to lift these past 45 degrees. All right, let's go for the next one. Oof. Here it is. All right, and just in case you guys are wondering, these snake tools, I had to actually buy this on Amazon, about 35 bucks, because this is not industry standard. I mean, you don't have a whole lot of roofing companies that just have these lying around. It's not exactly the typical tool that we have out here in the Southeast. I don't know about anywhere else, but it's not industry standard to use this type of tool. All right, now I gotta get way up under here, and you notice, obviously, you know there's nails up under here all along, and all I've got is about that much of length. So I'm gonna try to do this without lifting the shingles up past 45 degrees, without damaging too much. It's kind of hard, I ain't gonna lie. And there's quite a lot of shingles on this roof that needs to be replaced. So, oh, it ain't no joke. Oh my goodness, hold on one sec, bear with me. I'll get my keys out of my pocket. There we go. All right, sit down a little bit. Find those nails. There we go. Here's another. Trying not to lift it up past 45 degrees. It's almost difficult not to. I mean, that was like almost right at 45 degrees, just getting that one up. But trying not to get it past. I promise you I'm being gentle as much as I can. All right. All right. That should be it. There might be one more. Hold on. No, that's it. All right, so there goes our shingle. Let's set it up over here. All right. Now, set this one in here. But before we start, let me see something real quick. Don't want to lift this too high now. Oh. Okay. This is the shingle we're going to